this is free and easy time. For example, kalau tuan-tuan perempuan shopping, free and easy lah. Okay, sebab saya tak shopping lah. Okay, saya tak ada credit card sudah. Okay, free and easy. So bila saya kata free and easy, jangan takut-takut mau jalan-jalan.
Welcome to Adam and Yusuf Adventure.
Untuk cari balik saya nanti. Okay, so ada dua satu guided tour, or another one is free and easy. Okay, free and easy. Okay, so dua ni je lah jangan takut-takut. Sometimes I bring group, they are so scared to walk. I was like, go walk, kan, go walk, enjoy the city. They say, oh, I must come with them. I was like, if I can I can cut my body to 30 pieces, I would have given a piece of me. Okay, so jangan takut-takut, just okay. Ngantuk kan ni? How was the flight just now? Okay, okay, very good. This one is actually their Parliament building. Now it is closed actually for renovation. So Menara Perdana Menteri punya office, literally tower yang paling hujung, yang kiri ni. Yes. Tapi sekarang diorang tutup for renovation actually for a long time dalam tu, sebab kalau tak actually boleh masuk, ambil gambar. Ni dia punya Parliament building. And platform ni atas tasik ni bukan untuk konsert, bukan untuk rave. Platform ni they built temporarily to accommodate for NATO punya conference. Okay, so this is their Parliament building lah. And Parliament building ni adalah bangunan yang sangat lama, sangat lama dari zaman 1200, so you can say from medieval age jugalah. Tapi they preserve. Lepas tu raja yang William Orange tu, remember I told you, William Orange use this as his government place. Masih digunakan sampai sekarang. So kita ada house of what? Kita ada upper house and lower house kan kat Malaysia. Kan apa? Parlimen dan apa lagi satu? Senator. Dewan Negara dengan Dewan Rakyat. Kan? So they also have House of Common and House of Lord lah. Okay, so itu bangunan Parlimen dia. So ni Old Town ni. Okay, ni Old Town. Okay, now tengok belah kanan kan, no control banjir, environment very green. Macam I said, 17 million people living in Pahang. Can you imagine? It's a miracle they don't become Hong Kong now. Right, Pahang is not big, right? Yeah, but the way they plan their town and everything, it works. So that is something I think that's why Malaysian government send students to learn that, right? Okay. Tapi di sini, di Netherlands, banyak orang Indonesia. Banyak sangat orang Indonesia. Kenapa? Berniaga, betul. Indonesia di mana-mana. Mendunia. Indonesia mendunia. Apa dia? Aku gila ke kau? Indonesia mendunia. Sebab dulu kan kita kena jajah with British.
Berada di Peace Palace sama Kak Nuraini, orang Sarawak di Amsterdam. YouTube Kak.
PACE not PISS.
Boleh kencing
That one in Amsterdam.
Wow, Peace Palace. Kami berada di Peace Palace, Netherlands.
Subscribe to my channel.